How to download Binance on your iPhone. Now, Binance is one of the safest crypto exchange platform. It has the highest level of security, and it allows users to trade in both crypto to crypto or to crypto to fiat. Now, to download Binance, what you can do is just open up your App Store or your Google Play Store and then search for Binance. After you search for Binance, you can see on the top, you will see Binance buy Bitcoin and crypto. Now, this is by the official Binance company. So make sure that you download the correct one and then just hit on download. After you hit on download, you just download it, wait for it to download, and then use it as you like. Now, to download the Binance Wallet app, what you need to do is you need to just search for Binance Wallet, and then the app is not currently available for the iPhone version, but on the Android you'll find Binance Custody, through which you will be able to store your Binance currencies. So that is how we do it, guys. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and thank you for watching. Bye bye.